Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is festive rolls. I know normally festive means Christmas, but it's not. It's because I mix walnuts, white chocolate chips and cranberries into the buns. That's why I call it festive rolls. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 3/4 cup of lukewarm almond milk with 1/4 cup of sugar and 1.5 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Let's stand for 10 minutes. And this is 3.5 cup of flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of walnut bits, 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. We're just gonna mix this until completely combined. So this is 1/4 cup of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and we're gonna crack an egg. Mix to combine well before we add this into our dry ingredients along with our yeast, bloomed yeast, like so. And add in our yeast, and we're gonna mix this or knead it until it forms a dough. I'm just gonna use my spatula for now before I use my hand. Then we're gonna let it rest for 30 to 40 minutes. After resting, the dough double in size. We're gonna roll it flat into a rectangle. So roll it flat into a rectangle. Like so. Now we're just gonna slice it into strips like that, and then we're gonna roll each strips kinda still attach them. There you go. And place it on a paper and repeat steps until all strips rolled up. If one is small, you can roll 1.5 like this. It's small, so I'm gonna attach another roll to it so that it's not too small. And just sprinkle it up with some sugar. You can brush it with more almond milk or with melted butter, but I just like to sprinkle with sugar directly or without any additional fat or liquid. We're gonna bake this on preheated 375 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven.